Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris Aqua and I teach people on my YouTube channel how to make money online. So if you are in for making money online, this is the channel for you. Follow through. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can earn 100 naira airtime and also how you can earn 2000 naira for free every day. So ensure that you follow me till the end of this video tutorial, because at the end of this video tutorial I'll be showing you my foolproof way of making money online using this particular app. So the name of the app is called PalmPay, but there are various ways of signing up to this app that can get you some fund. So if you follow my instruction to the end, you will get rewarded. So the first thing you need to do right now is you go to the description of this video. Go to the description of this video. There is a link there. Click that link and it will take you to your browser. So I'll show you in details how this will go. So once you open your browser, this is what appears on your browser. So all you need to do is to click on give a hand. So once you click on give a hand, you fill out your mobile number. So in this case, I'll fill out a mobile number that I have not used on this app before. So if you have already been on this app, you might not get rewarded. But if you have been on this app and you don't know how to make your 2000 naira daily, please follow the video till the end as I will explain all that part. So I'm going to be putting my number here. Okay. So once I do that, all I need to do is click on submit. After clicking on submit, all I need to do now is click on open PalmPay to help. So it redirects me to my store, my app store. I'm using an iOS device for this. If you are using an Android device, it will take you directly to your Play Store where you can download this app. So what I do is I click on get. If you are using Android, all you need to do is click on install. So I'm clicking on get and I'll wait till it gets installed. And as you can see, the app rating is 4.2 stars. That's for 2.1 thousand rating, and it is very free. It is free to use and it is secure to use. So once it installs, all I need to do is click on open. So once I open the app, allow. So once I open the app, all I need to do is sign up. So you can see it right below at the bottom of this page. You see begin your rewarding payment experience. So I click on sign up. So what I need to do now is put in my first name and my surname, impute my date of birth, and impute the number that I used to register. Remember, you put in your number at some point in this video. So impute your name, impute your first name, impute your surname, you impute your date of birth. So once you do that, you verify and you sign up. So once you sign up, instantly you will get 100 naira that you can use for your airtime. Once you sign up with your number, it will take you to this interface. All you need to do is click on claim and use. So you can see, so you click on use and you click on 100 naira. So as you click on 100 naira, just click on pay. It is free. As you click on pay, you input your pin. So once you put in your pin it should successfully top up the airtime. So you can see the request has been submitted. Congratulations, 100 naira transaction ID. So if I scroll down, you would see, okay, you can see recharge successful, you receive bonus of 440 MB data soon. So you can see that it is very easy to earn 100 naira on this. It's instantly, you get your money instantly. So all you need to do is complete. So you already have your 100 naira. So this is the account. So now I'll teach you how you can earn the 2000 naira. You can earn the 2000 naira, like I said in the video. So now you see this interface. You see send money, group discounts, top up airtime, TV betting, step and earn, buy data bundle, cash spree. What we are interested in is the cash spree. So you see cash spree here. You see cash spree here. Third, I think that's the second column, third row. So you click on cash spree. So once you click on cash spree, it brings you to this particular interface. So you see 2000 naira. All you need to do is click on withdraw cash. So once you click on withdraw cash, don't make that mistake. You see 2000, 1000 and 500. All you need to do is click on 2000. So once you click on 2000, automatically you'll be given 1650 naira. So now for you to you need just 350 naira more to withdraw cash on here. So what you need to do is refer new users to this PalmPay app, and they'll carry out the same steps that you have carried out with your new with your line, with your phone number. So all you need to do is click on invite friends to claim. Invite friends to claim. So I will show you the normal way people used to invite friends on here, and I'll show you another way, a foolproof way of getting people to sign up without stressing yourself that much. It's more like a bait, a clickbait. You are giving them something for you to get something in return, just like it is being done right now. So okay, let me send this to this particular person. So as you can see, this is the normal way. So once the person clicks on the link, it takes them to the same steps you have carried out from the beginning of this video. You tell them to sign up with their number, click on give and so they sign up and they follow these all steps in this video. So you can always send them this video and send them your own referral link. You can always send them. So the more friends you invite, the more money you make. So you can invite at least, if you can invite at least 5 friends, you get your 2000 naira and you can immediately withdraw it to the bank. So if I click on how to earn, you can see invite 6 new users to claim cash reward. You withdraw cash faster if your invitees complete authentication. So you can see real name authentication. It may take up to 24 hours to verify. So it is very, you can see all this. It is very easy, and this app is very secure. The app is very secure. So that is how to earn 2000 naira on this app. So like I said, I told you I'll show you my foolproof way of earning on this app. I told you I was going to show you my foolproof way of earning on this app, and I'm going to go straight into it. So now you don't just spam groups with your links telling people to sign up and the likes. So you can just use a bait. Now this is it. For each new user that signs up, they're going to be giving them 100 free airtime, like airtime coupon, just like you got your own now. So instead of just posting directly on your social media, what you can do is this. I'll show you what I did. So this is what you do. Let me go to my camera and show you my Android device. So look at this. I posted this on my status. I'm giving away 100 naira airtime this morning. If it's not too small, DM. and you'll be surprised at the number of people that sent me a text. So you can see my friends here sent me text. Me. So some of them have already registered on PalmPay, but there are lots of them that have not registered on PalmPay. There are lots of them that have not registered on PalmPay. So from there, you can always get your 6 people to sign up and ensure that they complete the authentication. If you do that, I'm sure you would get your referral fast, quick and fast, because once they sign up, they are getting their 100 naira. They are getting their 100 naira straight. No BS about that. So once they sign up, they are getting their 100 naira, and you also, you are going to be getting your own money. So it's as simple as that. That is how to earn money on this app. So another way to do to earn money is by writing a review of this app. You can write on Medium. It's an open source platform. You can write articles, and once it gets ranked, once that article ranks, you get visitors and people will sign up through your link. And also, you can also make a YouTube video just like I'm doing now, just like I did on this particular video. You can make a video, and once it ranks, once people see the video, they can sign up through your link. So guys, that is the foolproof way. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please drop a subscribe button. It will help a lot in support. Please drop a subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop make money online videos, you will be the first to get notified. So guys, thank you very much and have a great day ahead.